Let's investigate why boiling, steaming, and stewing may be healthier cooking methods than frying, broiling, roasting, and grilling. This study investigated how different cooking methods may have different impact on vascular function in the immediate few hours after eating. And the study found that eating foods that were fried or broiled caused a much more pronounced acute impairment on vascular function than eating foods that were steamed or boiled. This was what the investigators of the study did. They gave 20 people two different meals that were isocaloric, had identical ingredients, and differed only by the temperature and time of cooking. The two different test meals had exactly the same amount of chicken breast, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, vegetable oil, calories, protein, fats, carbohydrates, cholesterol, and fiber. As mentioned, the two test meals only differed in how they were cooked. One test meal was prepared by frying or broiling at 230 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The other test meal was prepared by steaming or boiling at 100 degrees for 10 minutes. The vascular function of the study subjects were assessed in the hours after eating the two different test meals via various scientific research methods. And this was what the investigators found. The vascular function, both macrovascular and microvascular, of the study subjects were impaired to some degree in the hours after eating the two different test meals. But the vascular impairment was significantly greater, 1.5 times to 3 times more after eating the test meals cooked by frying or broiling, compared to eating the test meals cooked by boiling or steaming. This study reinforces why cooking methods such as boiling, steaming, and stewing using moderate moist heat are healthier than cooking methods using high dry heat such as frying, broiling, roasting, and grilling. Our food choices, including how we cook them, can be powerful medicine to help us prevent and combat chronic diseases. Let our eating habits be our medicine. Let our kitchens be our pharmacies.